Hi everyone, today I am going to be taking my everyday greenery wreath and I'm going to add those items that I got at Dollar Tree to make a beautiful spring/Easter wreath for my front door. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is take one of these berry picks in each color, and I'm going to take my wire cutters and I'm going to cut each of these off because there are 6 on each stem. So I'm just going to cut them off and I will have many pieces that I can use throughout the wreath. So I'm going to do that first, and then I'm going to be placing the berries in here. So I've only put in 3 of each color for right now, and I will be adding some more. The next thing I want to do is go ahead and do some of the deco mesh. So I'm going to cut pieces and wrap it with wire and then stick it in here and there. And then after that, I will be putting some of the Easter eggs in. Now I've made up a few of these out of the deco mesh, and what I did was I cut off pieces about 5 to 6 inches, and I'm taking 3 of the pieces, and you're just going to roll them up like so. And they're already kind of rolled, but just roll them up a little bit more. And then you put them together. What I did was, since you have the blue on one end and the pink on the other, I've alternated it, or I have pink, blue, pink on that side. And then I have my floral wire here. Now normally I would use some pipe cleaners, but with everything still pretty much packed up in my craft room, I was lucky to get floral wire. So I'm just going to be attaching it with the floral wire. Twist it around, just the same way I would do with the pipe cleaners. Okay. Then you have your piece, like so. And I'm going to be putting these inside the wreath next. Now I've placed all my deco mesh, and you know what, I ended up only using 1 package of the deco mesh, and it's funny how it turned out just perfect with the 3s. I ended up with 9 batches of this rolling of 3. So I really don't want to use more than 1 because I want my greenery to show still. Now I'm going to be putting in the egg picks, and I don't need the picks this long. So I'm just going to be taking my wire cutters, which work perfectly, and you can just snip it off like that. So I'm going to be picking out the ones I want to use, get their ends snipped off a little bit more, and stick them in, and we'll see how it looks after that. Now I've stuck my eggs in, and I'm going to go ahead and add more of the berry picks here, because I do have 3 of each color. So now I'm going to stick more of these in. Then I will put that Easter egg in the middle, and it will be done. Now before I stick my Easter egg in here, I wanted to show this cutting board one that I got from the Dollar Tree that has the Easter eggs in the basket, and I think this looks cute too. I'm not sure which one I want to put on there. I kind of like this one, but you know what? I think I'll go ahead and hang it on the front door, and we'll show it with each on there, and then I'll decide. Well, here is the wreath with the Easter egg in it. Now, I went ahead and kept the bottom part on, and I just tucked it in behind the greenery. This is actually a grapevine wreath, and it has greenery in it, so I just was able to tuck everything in to the grapevine part. You know, I like the egg sideways like that much better than just upright, you know, straight. You know, I really wish I had a better color door for Easter than brown. But you know, we'll be painting the house here in the spring, and I was thinking about making the door black. Okay, so let me take the egg out and put in the cutting board, and we'll see how that one looks. All right, here's the cutting board. Now, I don't have it wired in because I would put wire through the hole in the top and wire it on. I'd have it tucked in right now. So I'm kind of liking this one too. You know, I'm not sure what I want to use. I don't know. So how about we do a vote? So let me know down in the comments. Do you like this one with the cutting board? or this one with the Easter egg. Like I said, give me your vote, because when I go to do my front porch, I want to have one or the other on here, and whichever one gets the most votes will be in the center of the wreath. So I'll come down here a little bit. I like my little rug here. I'm thinking about doing my black urns up here. I'm not sure. You know, I have my black and white theme going on here. So hopefully I can get my front porch going here soon when it gets a little warmer out. It's kind of cold out right now. So again, give me your vote down below if you like the Easter egg or the cutting board. I'm going to add the pictures again here at the end. Please vote for it. Well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video today and that I could give you some ideas on doing a spring wreath for your front door. And you know what? Like I said, this is just an existing greenery wreath that I have. It's a grapevine wreath that has greenery stuck into it. You can use any type of wreath that you already have, even an evergreen one, because if you put enough stuff in it, you're going to cover most of that greenery up anyway. I like my greenery to show. And I do recommend that if you like to change out your wreaths and you don't have a lot of storage room for wreaths, that you should invest in a really nice greenery wreath like I have. Then you can change it out for all the seasons, all the time. Because I know that sometimes when you buy a wreath, everything's hot glued in. See, and I just like to stick the picks in and then you just pull them out. So much easier. So again, I'm going to show the pictures here at the end, and please give me your vote down in the comments which one you like the best, and it will be staying on my door that way. And hopefully soon, when it gets warmer, I think it's going to be getting, you know, starting to get warmer, that I can get the front porch done, and you'll get to see which one of the items is going to stay in the wreath. I want to wish everybody a very wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.